Hi guys, for today's video, I'm doing another Ikea shop with me. This is actually the first one of the new year for 2020. It's February, and if you guys didn't know, at Ikea in February is when they get all their new stuff. So I'm super excited to share with you guys what they have. And on these videos, always you guys usually ask where my outfit is from. So the entire outfit that I'm wearing today is from Fabletics. I'm gonna have a link in the description box where you can get 2 pairs of leggings from Fabletics for $24, and I'll show you guys the rest of the outfit that I'm wearing because it's super comfortable and great for going to Ikea in, because you always like have to lift like heavy boxes of furniture, so it's so much easier to do it in their comfy leggings as opposed to wearing like stiff jeans. But that is all for now, and we can head inside. I think these are really cute. Not to be organizing for cleaning stuff, but you can literally put like shoes or jewelry in it, and it's only $12.99. These baskets are new too. They have a lot of new stuff. Look at this little island. What is this? I don't exactly know what this is, but it's like a cute little decor thing. I guess spring cleaning stuff is what this whole little section is, which I definitely need to start thinking about. Every time I come in here, I look at this chair, $160, and I just want to buy it, but I never end up buying it. Actually, maybe I'll get it for like my room, because I'm kind of switching it up and making it more minimal. So maybe this will be a little treat to myself today. And I'm not sure. I always like look at it and love it. I think it's perfect. Definitely also gonna pick up one of these today. Been eyeing this for a while, and it's like perfect storage. $70, but I think that's a good price, especially because you can fit a lot in it, and I definitely need more storage. This room is super cute. Just shows you like all the different options that they have for storage. This hanging planter is also one of my Ikea favorites. The way they styled it with these baskets, it's a new piece. It's $149, but it's really good quality like wood. This is another piece that I've been loving, and I really want to pick it up because I think this would just be really cute as like an entryway table or something. This is also a new item. Comes in that color, but I think I've showed these in a video before. It says new, but they have had them for quite some time. This is a new item because they have these that I was looking at, but these are $200 and they lock, which doesn't really mean much to me, but this one is only $139, and it's like a lot of storage. I wonder if it comes in different colors, because if this were black, I would totally buy it. This is so cool. The lights change colors in here. This is really cute. I kind of want to do this for my room, just to have like a fun little pop of lighting. This is such a good bed option for $449. This is so cute. Definitely going to pick up one of these dressers because I was looking for a new dresser this weekend for storage, and this is only $149, or actually the larger one is $179, but I couldn't find a black dresser under literally like $1,500 that I liked. So I'm just gonna pick this up, and I'm gonna hopefully turn it into something similar to what I like. So you guys will see that in an upcoming Ikea hacks video. Going to pick up more of these handles. They're seriously my favorite, and this is what I'm gonna use for that DIY dresser. So I think I need like 6 packs of these. They also make them in a longer version, so if you want to have them as like straightaway handles, or you can have them like how these are. I'm gonna go with the smaller ones just because I think they're cuter. This is the only new item that they have in the dining area. I guess this is kind of cute. It's just a minimal chair. Not bad actually, and it's $65. You guys, look at that plant. You can't go in this area yet because it's not out of like the construction is still here, but how good is that plant? I'm definitely gonna need to pick that up when this little area opens, and they have like a ton of just like cute spring stuff, but again, they're still doing construction. Oh my god, look at that cute little umbrella. Oh my god, look at the little canister over there. Oh my god, this stuff is seriously so cute. I cannot wait until this opens. So if you guys want me to come back and show you guys this area when it opens, let me know in the comments down below. This is only $2.99 and it's seriously so cute. It has like the little leaves on it, and these are cute as well. So this is all part of their new like spring collection. Some of it's available at my Ikea. This is a new little serving basket. I think it's so adorable. Only $7.99. Literally put your guacamole in the middle and then have like chips around it. This is seriously so cute. I kind of want to pick one of these up, but I'm not sure. This is a super cute serving tray too. It's new. It's $17.99. It's really minimal and it has like the wood with the black. That is super cute. And then they have new patterns of just like the plastic trays that they usually always have. Saw this right when I walked in. I thought this was super cute. It's like yellow and then linen and it's striped. They're down there. They're $12.99 and they already have the cushion in them, which I think is a really good deal. Do they already have the cushion in them? Or are they just selling them like together? I think it's actually together that you get both for $12.99. This is also such a pretty color, linen. I think this is gonna be really in for like spring home decor. This looks really great on just like regular linen or black, even paired with that. Like seriously, so cute. And then they have a few other new pillows, like these blue ones. They have this olive green velvet. This one actually has a butterfly on it. And then they have this one, which is just an olive green linen. Literally think that this house is like the cutest light ever with the orange cord. It's only $9.99, but they are sold out. They have all these new cute little lights here, and then the clouds are adorable. I think I'm actually gonna pick up one of the cloud lights, and I want the little house too, but I don't see it. Then there's also this little board, which is new, and you can actually write on this and it lights up, which is kind of a cool touch. This lamp is new and it's only $54.99, and since my room's so huge, I feel like I need to get this for my bedroom and like put it in the corner, especially because I could always use extra lighting. So I think I'm gonna get one of these today and put that in the corner of my bedroom. It's a new little pendant lamp. It's $20. It's one of my favorite items from their new arrivals, but sadly I got it the other day for my bedroom and it was just too small. I think this would be great if you had two over like a dining table area, which I guess I could actually get two of these and put them like side by side in my new little office that I'm making. That actually might be really cute. This is like the new little spring arrival. I feel like this is the new version of this basket that they've had forever. This is like their new spring option, and these are so cute too that have the little frills on the top. They have a ton of new really cute baskets. They have these new baskets that actually go in like the calyx, what are those little like shelving units, and these are like boxes that go in there. So I need to get a couple of these for that, and I think that they'll be great. They're $12.99 each. These little storage bins are also new for $14.99. I think these are so cute. Like you could even put these in the shelving units and store stuff in your closet. This would be cute to put like belts in or anything. You guys, that picture that I was always talking about is finally fully in stock. I believe it's $70 and it just says dreams to reality. It already comes in this like cool frame that you put it on, and it's just kind of like a paper, like vinyl type fabric that goes into the frame. All right, I am done in Ikea. I'm gonna head home to share with you guys what I got. I only got a few things. I've been trying to be good on my spending. I also saw a lot of items, as you guys saw, that weren't available to purchase yet, so I'll probably come back in a few weeks and pick up those. All right, now that I am back from Ikea, I wanted to quickly share with you guys what I got. I didn't pick up too much stuff, so I'm also gonna show you guys the rest of these like super cute Fabletics outfits, because I know every time I film an Ikea shop with me, everyone always asks about my outfit. So I shared with you guys the two pieces that I'm wearing throughout the video, but seriously, I wore this like for the entire day. It's so comfortable. The top is great that I'm wearing because it can mix and match pretty much with all the leggings that I got. So I'm just gonna jump into it, share with you guys what I got really quickly, and then I'll show you guys the Ikea pieces as well. So this is like a really cute neon coral set, and this is called the PowerTouch Light front twist tank. This is very similar to the white tank that I had last month, but it was like not a white tank, it was like the long sleeve white, same material. Seriously, these are so flattering, it is insane. I like don't know how it's possible to make like leggings that are this flattering and like just comfortable at such an affordable price. It's crazy to me. Like Fabletics is awesome, so huge thank you to them for sponsoring my channel because I love their stuff. These are the Trinity high-waisted utility legging. I love that their stuff has like zippers on it for your keys. This like waistband just really holds you in. It's awesome. And then I got this really cute green pair, which is also a Trinity high-waisted, and these are the pocket legging. And look how cute that like crisscross detailing on the back is. This would be super cute, as well as the leggings here. You can also wear with just the white top that I'm already wearing, super cute. But I did also get this white sports bra. This is the Faye high impact sports bra. It just has like a really cool netting on it. And again, these would be super cute with these green pants. And then I also got, these are the high-waisted seamless dot capri pants. This like thick band on here, seriously, it's the most flattering thing ever. And I love the little detailing that's on the leg. And then lastly, I just think this color is absolutely beautiful. And this is another sports bra from them for this month. Definitely head on over to Fabletics as soon as possible if you guys want any of this stuff, because it does sell out super quickly. I recommend the Trinity high-waisted pants. They're my absolute favorite. Also, you can go on there and take a style quiz. It's super fun to take, and it's gonna give you guys like customized pics and outfits. So be sure to also enter your email when you do that, because you'll get fun like offers sent to you. But the leggings are all super awesome, and they are 2 for $24, which is so amazing, because you guys know the leggings like this that are super good quality are usually like upwards of $50. So to be able to get 2 for $24 that are this like flattering and so comfortable. And like I said, I wear this stuff to work out in, but then I wear it on like my Ikea runs, like everyday life pretty much. So definitely check the link in the description box down below if you're interested. Okay, moving on to what I actually got from Ikea. I ended up getting that dresser that I showed you guys. Obviously I can't show it in this video, but I did pick it up. It's like a really fun dresser you can customize. Then the next thing that I got was just this pillow. It is so cute. It's like a silver metallic pillow cover, and I already have inserts for it. So I just got this. I figured I could do something fun with it. I don't know. And then I've been eyeing this glass jug for seriously forever. It's really good quality, super sturdy. I just didn't get it for a while because I felt like $20 was a lot since it's just plain glass, but I've been on the hunt for something similar and I couldn't find anything, so I finally just picked this one up. Putting some like pampas grass or something in it, I think is gonna be super cute on top of the dresser that I made. So you guys will see this in an upcoming video for sure. And then I picked up this cloud light. As I showed you guys in the video, they did have like the little house light that I thought would be super cute. I had like a fun idea with it, but I couldn't find it. It was from a special like Ikea collection, like designer collection. So sometimes that stuff goes really quickly, or they like to put it up when it's not available just to like drive attraction. So I did go ahead and get the cloud light. I feel like this one's gonna be just as cute on the wall. And then the last thing that I got is gonna kind of be hard to show. It's basically just like a little magazine or like book holder. It's just like a wooden one. That's pretty much all it is. Very basic, but I wanted to pick that up because I had like a fun idea of something to do with. So yeah, that is everything that I ended up picking up from Ikea. Again, I'm trying to not buy as much as I did last year when I did these Ikea hauls. So I hope you guys still enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to go back to Ikea when all of the spring stuff is out, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Fabletics in the description box down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!